guided meditation for positive energy. For optimum results, repeat this meditation daily for the next 30 days. Please start by coming into a comfortable seated position where you are wont to be disturbed. I am going to now invite you to close your eyes. If it feels good to do so, take this moment to feel your whole body in the spaces in front the top of your head, all the way down your spine to your sit bones and the sole of your feet. Please now take a deep breath in through the nose. Hold the breath and exhale fully out through your mouth. Take another deep breath in. Hold the breath and excuse fully. Mentality, letting go of anything that is no longer serving you. Last one, inhale. Hold the breath and exhale completely. Allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm and just start to observe the natural rise and fall of the body as you are inhale and exhale. You may like to know, take both hands to the space at the center of your chest where your heart center is located, and repeat the mantra after me. I am enough. I am enough. Whatever is going on in your life right now, wherever you are, and take this moment to just be with whatever thoughts, feeling and sensation arise without judgment. Please repeat the mantra. I am enough. I am enough. Now take your awareness to the top of your head and then extend that awareness up above you and start to visualize a light of energy source above your head. This may be a golden or white light or even a liquid light coming down from above and into your head. Visualize this light coming into your head, your neck and shoulders. Allow the light to come down into both arms, hands and your whole torso. Feel the light coming down to your hips, following down your legs and into your feet. Become aware of your whole body as a source of light and start to awake the sensation of lightness throughout your whole body. Repeat the mantra, I am enough, I am enough. Now connecting to all the parts of your body, touching the ground beneath you, your sit bones and perhaps the sole of your feet. Visualize roots connecting and grounding you to the earth. Send your awareness all the way down through the center of the earth now and start to visualize another light source. Allow this light from the center of the earth to flow all the way up into the soles of your feet, your legs and your hips. Allow the grounding lines to flow into your torso, your hands and arms. Let this light now flow into your shoulders, your neck and your whole head. Feel your whole body as a source of radiant glowing light, and now extend this light around you to form a protective aura surrounding your whole body like a cocoon of protective glowing light. Repeat the mantra, I am enough, I am enough. If there anything right now that's not serving you, visualize whatever it's leaving your body as a gray smoke. Allow the protective aura of light surrounding you to transform this gray energy back into brilliant glowing light. See everything as being in a constant state of flow and change. Now allow yourself to sit in your cocoon of light without judging yourself. Allow yourself to be with whatever arises. Repeat the mantra, I am enough, I am enough.